that one too much.
That's wide open. Wide open. Hell yeah.
Come on with it, baby. Come on with it, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look good. Oh yeah, see it.
He running. I don't like that. Yes, sir. That's the new PV, baby. Yeah, definitely. Oh, watch yourself.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating, then you broke, boy, take a 6 feet. And that ain't heat that you be dropping, that be weak.
Young boy on the beat.
I was at 50 until these started bidding me up. I was like, so at the last 30 seconds, I bid him up to 59. I was like, all right, that's it, and I got it.
Hit it the last second.
Yeah, hell yeah. I was watching it to the very last second. I was like,
It works for you.
hell yeah. That's my my time from yesterday. My 120. If you want to take a picture of it, just to make make it look like that.
All right, guys. Got the Arrma Limitless. Let's get it in, brother.
See if we break that 100 today.
Yes, sir.
Break that 100. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth, baby. Nice.
That caught wind. Lord have mercy. Let's go back, see what we got, guys. I hope the GPS still on. I ain't even looked on it yet. I knew it wasn't gonna be on.
What happened?
The GPS,
It was off?
it ain't on it. Got the GPS, guys. 94. We hit 94. 94 and it went airborne. Nice, bro. Nice. That's 100 plus. 100 plus. 100 plus. Oh, come on, bro. That wheel.
You seen that wheel?
That front wheel. That front wheel was doing this.
Bro, that front wheel stood.
Did you see this?
Oh! Hey!
Down there.
Good ride, brother. Good ride. You did a good ride too, bro. Yeah.
Damn.
Broke the arm.
Yes, sir. That had to be 120.
Oh, 114.
Yeah.
114. I knew it.
With a max 5.
brother. Congratulations.
With a max 5. Not
Yes,
bad.
sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
Max 5. Yes, sir.
My personal best was 93.
I was about to say 95 car.
No. Uh-oh. Hold on. Wait on, car. All right. Take your time. Take your time. See how it's moving. Go. 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 Stop. Ah! Mailbox. It's right there. It's right there in the road. Yeah, it's right there in the road, bro. Come on with it. Come on back. Good job, brother. Come on. Shake it like a leaf. Good job, bro. Good job, bro. Yeah, stop him. Stop him. Yeah, stop him. Come back. Yeah, good job, bro. Yeah, let her cool down now, baby. My brother got it. My brother got it. There you go, bro. You handled that bit this time, boy. Oh, the GPS gone.
I got 90 right there.
Oh, 90.
Crashed into this mailbox.
Yes, sir. We got it.
90. GTP.
Yeah.
GTPE. BLX.
What we have here?
This is the car that scares me the most.
Oh, TP.
Yeah, this car spins tires at 125.
Oh my
So
God.
this is the setup that definitely scares me the most.
We finna get it in, baby.
Every time I drive that thing, I'm shaking like a girl.
Yes, yes, yes.
You're good. All you.
Yeah, new PB, baby. New PB, baby.
Nice.
New PB, baby.
No, it was too slow to be a PB.
See what you got.
No, I have to cool it down. I'll try again. It's actually
What's the
stable.
speed?
I would say 150. That was not fast enough.
How long
Nothing.
wide open throw?
No wide open. That was like 75%. I couldn't. Yeah, that's not a fast one. But at least an okay, you know.
110, baby.
Yeah.
110.
So just let it cool down a little bit. Let it.
How hot does it get to the touch?
Oh, very. Yeah, very. Not this one.
Wide open.
Yeah, new PB. New PB. New PB. New PB. Good job, bro. Good job. Good job. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
All right.
You got one more if you want to, bro. Go ahead. Christian.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good shit, bro. I know you got it. I know you got it. I know you got that PB.
Come on, baby. Bring it back alive.
All right, guys. We're gonna get our brother a new PB.
That was 2 good passes right
Yeah, bro.
That's good, man. That was great.
See what my big brother got.
Right about 90.
Let's see what we got, man.
87.
101!
Yeah, good shit, bro. Good shit. Good shit.
Nice.
Yeah. 101, baby. Yes, sir. Did it.
Yes, sir.
Hope y'all can see it.
101, Typhon.
Yes, sir.
Got it, baby.